move on. Yeah.
Hi all. First of all, a big shout out to all the facilitators here because it is not a small thing to incorporate some leadership like thing to all of us within 2 days. It's a good job that all of you did. And the classes and all, it was very interesting. We attended many workshops and all, but we, as everyone said, we feel like it will be a bit boring. It will be classes, but it was very interactive. And thanks for that. Coming to the MSLA report, I also in my point of view, my manager's feedback was very important because it was actually accurate. Overestimation and underestimation, both were there. I didn't expect this from him, but he did rate me in a correct way and got a lot of inputs from the 2 days and tried to build a good network here and a lot of takeaways from this class. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm S.L.A.M. Many of you might not know my name, so I'm saying my name is Salina. And I just have 8 months of experience being in work life, I should say, because I'm a fresher in USD and I expected people of similar experience here, and when I came here I was really shocked. I saw a lot of people who are quite more experienced than me, and the way they responded, interacted and taken their doing their activities, and I'm really impressed. And the whole session, let me tell you, I have not any intent. I did not had any intention to attend this. It was my lead who asked me to join this, and then I thought like, okay, 2 days I not need to go to office, so I'll attend this. And I expected some boring presentations and such things, but it was really interesting, and the activities, I always like presentations and lectures with activities. So yeah, I'll try to follow the things which are taught here. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.